For decades, industrial inspection systems have been built around a simple concept. Look at your product and either pass it or fail it. For years, this crumbled cookie would have been the end of the story, but you don't learn anything if you just throw away your failed products. Sure, if just one cookie is broken to bits, that's a defect. But if 100 cookies are, that's data. The conversation on industrial inspection has evolved far past the black and white pass or fail mentality where you grade one item and move on to the next one. Now, manufacturers are looking closer at those failed items to see what went wrong in production. Broken cookies on conveyor belt number 2 could indicate a mechanical alignment issue. A string of overbaked and burnt cookies may be from oven drift. Misshaped cookies can point to an unwanted variation in the ingredients, temperature, or equipment. Modern inspection systems aren't just identifying bad products, they're helping manufacturers understand what's happening across the entire production line. It's a concept that spans the entire value chain, from machine vision lighting and optics to AI, advanced inspection, and factory intelligence. These technologies and more are the focus of this year's Vision Spectra Inspection Summit. It's free to attend and begins on July 15th. We hope to see you there.